Hi berries, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make a stretch mark cream. But before that, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly do so now so you get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So to promote this stretch mark cream, you'll be needing SHEALOE stage 1, which helps in getting rid of stretch marks, scars, blue veins, redness, beauty spots, and lost smell. You can also make use of the SHEALOE stage 2 for this. Next, you'll be needing SHEALOE stretch mark oil, which helps to fade and prevent stretch marks on the skin. You would also be needing Miracle Derm cream. Guys, if you haven't tried this product, hurry now because you're missing a lot. Lastly guys, you'll be needing Bravia Baba Dakaro Coal. This product helps to eliminate wrinkles and stretch marks on the skin. So firstly guys, in my clean bowl I'll be putting my Bravia stretch mark cream. I'm using a whole of it. Then I'm putting 1 tablespoon of my SHEALOE stretch mark oil. After which I'm putting my SHEALOE stage 1. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of it. Lastly, I'm putting my Miracle Derm cream and I'm using 1 tube for this mixture. And I'll properly mix. Guys, this cream mixture will fade your stretch marks super fast. You all really need to try it. It works just like magic. Feel free to drop your thoughts about this cream and how it worked for you below in the comment section. I'll be dropping links to my previous stretch mark tutorials that will also be of great help to you all. So guys, this is all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you like it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also please help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.